Hello! In this video, I will show you how to set a simple analog watch with time and date. The first step is to set the date. Pull the crown to position 1, and turn the crown clockwise to set the date, to 1 day before the current day. For example, if today is the 14, we will stop at the 13. Now pull the crown to position 2 and turn the crown clockwise until the date changes to the current day. In my case, it will be the 14th. Once it changes, now you can set the time for the first round of the clock. You will be setting the time for the morning. For example, right now it is 9 o'clock in the morning. If you want to set the time for the afternoon, for example, 7 in the evening, you will need to do that in the second time the hour hand rotates. Once you are done, push back the crown to the 0 position to finish the settings. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to my channel.